Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gene Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Ramayana exclusive Ranbir Kapoor as Lord Ram, Yash as Ravana, Sai Pallavi as Sita and Sunny Deol as Hanuman to be introduced in their iconic first look on 2nd April. The Nitesh Tiwari directed Ramayana is among the most eagerly anticipated films in Indian cinema, backed by a stellar cast led by Ranbir Kapoor, Yash, Sai Pallavi and Sunny Deol, written by Kushbu Ratram, journalist, updated on 30 March 2026. In a major development for one of the most anticipated epics in Indian cinema, the team behind Ramayana is gearing up for its second official reveal. Big Villa has exclusively learned that producer Namit Malhotra and director Nitesh Tiwari are set to unveil a special asset on 2nd April, aligning the launch with the auspicious occasion of Hanuman Jayanti. This launch will mark the first time when audience will witness the film star-studded cast in their characters and on-screen avatars leading the ensemble. Ranbir Kapoor will be seen as Lord Ram, while Yash steps into the powerful role of Ravana. Sai Pallavi portrays Sita alongside Ravi Dubey as Lakshman and Sunny Deol taking on the role of Hanuman. The asset is expected to showcase the entire cast in their respective looks, offering a first glimpse into the film's interpretation of these iconic characters. According to insiders, the highlight of the announcement video will largely revolve around the appearances of Ranbir Kapoor, Sai Pallavi, Ravi Dubey, Sunny Deol, and just the visual presentation aims to give audiences a sense of the emotional and character-driven approach the makers have adopted for this epic retelling. A source close to the project revealed this asset is designed to introduce the world of Ramayana through its characters. It's more personal and rooted in how each role has been envisioned. The scale and action will be explored in a separate asset that will arrive in a couple of months. Apart from the leading star cast, the makers will also unveil the look of the entire ensemble, which also includes actors like Rakul Preet Singh, Lara Dutta, Vivek Oberoi, Arun Govil, and Kyunal Kapoor, among others. Interestingly, this launch is the beginning of an extensive 7-month promotional campaign. The makers plan to roll out multiple assets at regular intervals to build the anticipation into the film's narrative and visual grandeur. While the April 2 reveal focuses on character introduction, another video is expected in the coming months and it will highlight the film scale, action and more. Ramayana is the first installment of a planned two-part film series with music composed by world-renowned composer Hans Zimmer and A.R. Rahman. The film is set to hit big screens on Diwali 2026. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.